Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. The freedom to fix and the right to repair is making huge traction right now. Today, the federal EPA, Lee Zeldin, announced that the SEMA Corporation will be allowed to certify aftermarket parts and emissions parts and components to be sold as a certified part in the United States. I'm going to go over what the EPA said and what SEMA says and how this is going to affect parts in California. So stay tuned. I got some really juicy information on this, so really pay attention to this, especially if you're in California. You're going to want to watch this, trust me. Don't forget, everything I talk about, there's links in the description for everything. Everything. Receipts. I don't give you a bunch of clickbait BS. My thumbnails are clickbait sometimes just to get you here. But everything I talk about, there's proof in the description, links in the description. Go check it out yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. And I'm trying to get to 100,000 subs this year. You might be the one to get me there, so please hit that sub button. All right, so what am I talking about? Today, the federal EPA released a news release or a press release, and this is entitled EPA implements new Freedom to Fix Presidential Memorandum, gives SEMA green light to certify aftermarket products. So EPA clearly says SEMA can test and certify emissions components to be sold in the United States. So let's just read this first paragraph and we're going to go on. There's going to be quite a few things we're going to pull up and look at. So everything I'm going to show you up here, links in the description. First paragraph. President Trump's new memorandum lowering the cost of living by promoting the freedom to fix directs U.S. Environmental Protection Agency Administrator Lee Zeldin to reduce reliance on the California Air Resource Board, CARB, emissions certification process for aftermarket vehicle products and ensure every American has the freedom to fix their vehicle. Today, EPA took action by recognizing the Specialty Equipment Market Association, SEMA, as an alternative certification authority for aftermarket vehicle parts. Moving forward, Americans will be able to use SEMA's Certified Emissions (SCE) program to show compliance with the Clean Air Act and verify that approved aftermarket parts do not negatively impact vehicle emissions. So SEMA has a very sophisticated emissions testing program that they have when it comes to testing aftermarket parts. SEMA has been working with the US EPA and California for a very long time to get SEMA approved parts going. They finally got it going on a US standard right now. All 50 states. Is it? Well, we're going to cover that in just a second. Next, we're going to look at a letter that was released by, who is this? This is Jeffrey A. Hall, Assistant Administrator for Enforcement and Compliance Assurance from the federal EPA. What I'm going to look at really is this third paragraph. The materials that SEMA has shared with the EPA describes how SEMA designed the SCE program to meet the tampering policy's exact requirements. We agree that, as described, the emissions testing performed through SEMA's SCE program satisfies the tampering policy's criteria. Aftermarket part manufacturers and vendors may ordinarily rely on the SCE certificate as a reasonable documentation that a part does not adversely affect emissions. So what this says, sorry, I got a little tongue-tied on that. I'm so excited about all. There's so much like hitting the newswire right now. It's nuts how much is going on. So what the assistant administrator is saying is that aftermarket parts and vendors can rely on SEMA to now test parts and get certified through SEMA to be sold in the United States. Now, what does SEMA have to say about this? And this is where we get to how is this going to affect California? And SEMA verifies that in their press release today. Let me get over to their press release right here. And these are all released today. All these press releases, news releases are released today for you guys to go see. And links in the description for you to go read all this. Now this is SEMA Certified Emission Program earns EPA reasonable basis recognition. That's just saying that the federal EPA is approving the SEMA Corporation to approve parts. Now here is what I this is the big thing. It's the first paragraph, and it's the biggest thing. And there's a lot to this. You could go click on the link in the description and go read all this. But the first paragraph, let's listen to this, and this is how it's going to affect California. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has issued a groundbreaking advisory opinion that states that SEMA Certified Emissions Certification qualifies as a reasonable basis under the tampering policy, and companies can rely on this certificate to demonstrate compliance. With this formal recognition, the EPA is establishing a regulatory pathway allowing for 49 state sales. Huh? 49 state sales? Excluding California, and establishing a federal government's leadership on clean air issues. Wait a minute. SEMA is saying that this certification process, or the parts approved through SEMA, are not going to be California approved. These are 49 state legal parts that they are going to be approving. This is nuts. So is the freedom to fix and the right to repair, is it all only going to be on a federal basis? Is this not going to have to do with California? There's so much to it. I can't wait for this guidance to come out in 30 days from the federal EPA on your right to repair, your freedom to fix, and all that good stuff. But SEMA says the EPA has approved them to certify aftermarket emissions components or parts, but SEMA also says these parts will not be for sale or certified for California use. It's nuts. What do you think about this? Comment below. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys doing so. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.